Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Womiba Finance channel. And today, please, I will talk to you as a big sister or as a mother. Okay, number one, I want you to stop applying for HCA, Healthcare Assistance, with sponsorship that you have to pay for the contract. If you cannot sponsor yourself or the company cannot sponsor you, don't come to United Kingdom. Yes, I said two things, remember, because when you are quoting me outside, I want you to quote me correctly. I said, if you cannot sponsor yourself, like a company have a job and the company have to, you have to go into the website as you're seeing in this screen and sponsor yourself, pay for the application process, visa processes for the company, and now migrate to UK and start that job. Don't come. Number two, if the company cannot pay that on their own and they are quoting like 5,000, 10,000, or 15,000 for you, know that they don't have any job to give you. Yes, company that have a job would want somebody that can do the job and get paid. So these are two different things. I want you to quote me correctly when you are saying Womiba said this or you heard it in this channel. Okay, I will give you some reasons that will help you. Kingdom is not a country where you can function as an adult without money or without job. Yes, United Country is not one of those country where you have members of your family that without job, your feeding, your rent, your existence as a human being will be taken care of. No, United Kingdom is not planned that way. It is planned that an adult have to be responsible for their upkeeping or their feeding, their rent, their this and that. I mean, an African migrant, that is the way the country works for them. Except you have a family here, which is not normally the case for, I will say, let me just try 80% of people that are coming. Like me, when I came to United Kingdom, I don't have any family here. There's no any of my siblings that were here when I came. None. So I'm the first person that came here from my parents. I started my journey before my niece, came. So I'm just giving you some scenarios. So when I came, I cannot depend on anybody because there's no any family. And this is the case for 80% of people. I know you might have friends, but friends, my dear, they are not trustworthy because you don't know the living condition of that your friends. Your friend might live in a one-room shared apartment and the landlord or the landlady wouldn't want you there. That is law and he or she has to obey. So I have done, personal parts. Okay, let me come to healthcare assistance. If you come here as a healthcare assistant, if you don't have jobs, it will be difficult because you cannot move from employer to another employer without home office notice. It is against the law. If you do it, you have disobeyed the immigration law and you can be penalized because of it. There's no any excuse that you will give in your visa process application that will be allowed. Okay, I have, said this part. You might pay somebody some money and they bring you here and they don't have job to give you and you might start having problem with them. And maybe you get by, you get by. And you people don't have any connection, work relation connection anymore. during your application of your visa for extension or for work permit or for IRR, you need that your employer. So whatever you do now, this, you know, you have many hurdles now. The cases you are seeing in these screens are one of them. There are thousands of cases here. I was waking up yesterday by a parent that said that their daughter is in somewhere Cambridge. For 2 months, she has not done any job for the employer that brought her here. I don't want to come here and tell you that how much they paid. They didn't even pay just £10,000. They paid a lot of money. So don't come here. If you are here, you already have issues. Try to minimize the immigration laws that you are flouting. Like you have done the first, you have disobeyed them for the first time. Don't make it tradition. Don't continue doing it. Or you have disobeyed them by working for another agency, not working for the one that brought you here. Then don't go again to start doing other things that will put you into, that will make you break immigration laws, other immigration laws. Don't do it. There are many people that are stranded here now because they have fallen out with whoever that brought them. That is why my application processes are not try to get people quickly, and no. If you are, you have to make sure you get it right from the beginning, even if it will take 2 years. You have to get it right. Because once you disobey any immigration law, there's a problem waiting for you one day. You will apply for something. These people, they have records. Always know that whatever you do about your application, immigration visa, it is being, it is on their record. So don't try to do it over and over again. Don't try to do something that will, make you break a lot of immigration laws. You might do one and you give a reason during your appeal. I don't know, maybe you've got a good lawyer that will, it all now depends on the courts. So don't get to that stage where a court have to decide your fate. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't get to that stage. Get to a stage where you are in line till you get your indefinite leave to remain. That is what I'm trying to say here. So which means, since this government is not United Kingdom immigration, and the government are not allowing you to jump from one employer to another, please don't come here. You will have issues. And once you have issues with immigration, you are already here and you have issues and you go back. It is so hard. It is so hard to come back here. So what I'm trying to prevent is future problems with this video. Don't make, okay, you said you have come. Look at you now, you've come, you can do whatever you want to stay here. No. Calm down. Okay, I will now give a suggestion. Once you know that your employer is not giving you jobs, to be able to become a good citizen from wherever you are coming from that obeys immigration rules and regulation, your employer, for whatever reason they might have, they are not giving you a job, let them do the right thing for you. You go and get a job and tell them to write home office that they don't have any job again, so that your visa can be, because if you have another job, you are telling immigration office in Croydon that, look, this person don't have job to give me, and I have gotten, I think Adebawala have done it. I have gotten a job here and I'm already in this country and this company wants me to work for them. Look, I want to change. But I know this country, but have it documented. Get them to that position where, and you can easily help these people. If you don't relax and wait, if you make the first money, the second money, the third money, you can see how you can go back and come as a student and rearrange your status. That is what I'm trying to say. Because the new laws here are so that if you make one mistake, you might not be given another chance to stay, to amend it. That is the pure truth. There's no any other thing other than this. Don't flout immigration laws. Know when to quit or when to change in agreement with immigration laws. So, stop coming here as a healthcare assistant when the jobs are not guaranteed. There are many ways to find out whether the jobs are guaranteed. Check the company out, research the company, ask them what about their other employers, other employees, I mean to say. So try to know more, ask them questions. Are they really job? Because this is not about, it is not in the care home. These are mostly people in domestic care. Because in what are they calling it? Domiciliary care, health care, not domestic care, domiciliary care that goes from house to house. These people might have like 4 elderly people that they are taking care of, that they go around and do the normal care. And most of them, like 3 of them will die. And there will be a gap in the numbers of working hours. So that you have to wait till they get other people on board to be able to have a job to do. That is the way it works for people that are coming here to do domiciliary care. So pay more attention. Care home is more stable. It's a bit stable, not like they have jobs, but it's a bit stable because these people are living there. Even if they go to the hospital, they have to pay for that room, for that care home, to keep that room for them. So this care home will still have money to be able to pay their staff that are or in permanent contract with them. So be very careful if you are coming here. This man that called me about his daughter, so we managed to get his daughter. So the daughter is about to go back to Nigeria and come back, or do other things. Because I managed to tell them not to flout immigration rule. Don't flout immigration rules. I know it might be a smart thing for you to do at that time, but there's consequences to it. So be very careful. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.